To fix the TikTok photo swipe not working issue, start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is necessary for TikTok to function properly. If your internet is slow or unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, check for any updates to the TikTok app. An outdated app can cause various issues, including the photo swipe feature not working. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Clearing the app cache can also resolve the issue. Cache can accumulate over time and cause problems with the app's performance. To clear the cache, go to your phone's settings. Find the Apps or Application Manager. Select TikTok, and choose the Clear Cache option. Another possible solution is to reinstall the TikTok app. Sometimes, a simple reinstall can fix issues with the app. Go to the App Store, uninstall TikTok, and then reinstall it. If the issue persists, check the app's permissions. Make sure that TikTok has the necessary permissions to access your photos and camera. Go to your phone's settings. Find the Apps or Application Manager. Select TikTok, and check the permissions. Additionally, check if the photo swipe feature is enabled in the app's settings. Open TikTok, go to the settings, and look for the photo swipe option. Make sure it is enabled and configured correctly. It is also a good idea to check for any conflicts with other apps. Some apps may interfere with TikTok's functionality, so try closing all other apps and then opening TikTok. Finally, if none of the above steps work, try resetting the TikTok app to its default settings. This will remove all custom settings and preferences. So use this option as a last resort. Go to the app's settings. Find the reset option, and follow the prompts to reset the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working issue and enjoy using the app without any problems. Remember to always keep your app and phone up to date, as this can help prevent issues and ensure a smooth user experience.